Hey everyone, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor myself. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students that it may be of help. So we have a problem on the board on surds, okay, which says rationalize 1 divide root 2 plus 1. The solution to this simple problem is first of all you want to get the conjugate, okay, of the denominator, which is root 2 plus 1. And it is, you write this, but changing this to what? Minus. If this is minus, you change it to plus. But since this is plus, we are going to change it to minus. So let's write all this. So I have root 2 minus 1. So plus becomes minus. This is the what? Conjugate. Okay. Now, our next step in rationalization is you want to write this down, okay? And you want to multiply the numerator by this conjugate. So we have root 2 minus 1 here. And you also want to multiply the denominator by also root 2 minus 1. Now the question is, why do you do that? When you do that, you are able to what? Remove the surd what? Or the radical signs. That's the square root signs. Okay? So that's the essence of why we rationalize or multiply the numerator and denominator by what? The conjugate. So 1 is going to multiply this, so we have that as square root 2. 1 times this is square root 2. 1 times minus 1 is still minus 1. So divide by what? Now this is going to multiply this. So we have base multiplying this first. So I have square root 2 multiply square root 2 minus 1. Now plus 1 is going to still multiply this. So I have square root 2 minus 1. Okay. So we are going to simplify that further to be able to find what this problem is going to give us. So we are going to have this as square root 2 minus 1 divided by. Now this time this, okay, is still square root what? 2 times 2, which is what? 4, okay? If we have square root a multiplied by square root a, you can write this as square root a times a. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, now square root 2 multiply minus 1 is going to give us minus what? Square root 2. Okay. Now we are going to work on this other part. So plus 1 is going to times this. So we are going to have plus what? Square root what? 2. Now plus 1 is going to times what? Minus 1. So plus times minus is going to give us minus. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay. Now, we can observe something here. Now, this part, okay, is minus square root 2 plus what? Square root 2. So that can give us 0. That's one of the reasons why we rationalize. Whenever you rationalize a surd by multiplying by the conjugate at the numerator and denominator, something here becomes what? 0. Okay. So let's see what this further gives us. So we are going to have square root 2 minus 1 divided by. Now the square root of 4 we know is 2 because 2 times 2 is what? 4. Now minus square root 2 plus square root 2 is going to give us what? 0. And we have minus 1 here. So this is going to give us square root 2 minus 1 divided by what? Okay, 2 plus 0 is going to give us 2. And we have minus 1. Okay. This is going to give us square root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. Alright? So the solution to this is what? Square root 2 minus 1. Okay? So that gives us a simple solution to this simple problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next one.